Okay, so this is how to specifically create a directory to your page. So as you can see here, my directory is set to this one, and I'm gonna change it up to be this one. So what you're gonna first want to do is grab the code of your choice, and usually they have like a link to it. Usually it's Pastebins, but sometimes it could be like a Word doc or Google Doc, but you're gonna look for wherever. Specifically my code, it's gonna be in this button. So you're gonna click that button and it's gonna take you to a Pastebin. So I already have that Pastebin open. So you're gonna start from here and you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna get this raw paste data. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab it and you're gonna pull all the way down. So now that you got it, you're gonna copy and you're gonna go ahead and create a new character. We're gonna name this hub, and we're gonna make sure to set it to only me and unlisted. And I'm doing that only because we need to make sure that nobody can see it while we're editing it, or else it gets a little bit messy, because then people look at it and they might favorite it even though you're not done. So once you got this set, you're gonna make sure that this WYSIWYG is disabled. And what I mean by that is if we create here, it's gonna look like this, and you do not want this. So you're gonna press disable, but it's not what we need it to look like yet. So then we're gonna refresh, and it should look like this. So make sure only me, unlisted, and we're gonna paste our raw code into here. So then we're gonna go ahead and create character. Oh, my bad. I name it direct. This, only me, unlisted, no fields. And create character. So now we have our character created. You can see it's fresh. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna manage character, edit profile, open link in new tab. That way when you edit it, you can refresh you could just constantly refresh this page and you can have this. So just for a scenario so you can see what I'm talking about, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna control find all. I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna update. So you see how we updated here? If you look here, the rated O hasn't changed, or we haven't seen the blue pop out. But when you refresh, bam, we got a blue. I soar blue. So let's say we've made our edit, right? You could see it differs from the stock now with this blue. So we're gonna go ahead and copy when we're done with everything. Like we're done. Like people are ready to see it. That's when you know you're done. You're gonna copy all of it. Copy. Then we're gonna go to manage folders. It's this drop down menu. Or if you click on under account management, under here, it's right here. So my directory is currently set for this one. We're gonna name it hub up here and you're gonna see it change. So now we're gonna go to create folder. We're gonna name the folder name hub. And then we're gonna paste. Now we have all our neat little code in here, and we're gonna make sure that nothing's up here. Okay, create folder. Okay, so now that we have it, the folder created, we're gonna set this to hub, and we're gonna set this as default. So then when you go to your page, this is my directory now. Oh, I'm a newcomer, and I go to your characters. It's gonna be in this directory now. This is what people are gonna see, and this is what we're gonna be able to click into. So this is just how to do the directory portion. I'm gonna go into editing portion in the next video. So a little edit. Once you've created your hub folder or directory folder, you're gonna want to keep the character that you edited under it's just as a kind of like an insurance. So whenever you want to add a new folder for whatever reason, you could just go back into the code here and then copy paste from wherever you need, and that way you can constantly update it and keep like kind of like an insurance right here. um, you can delete it, but I just say just keep this tucked away in a folder you don't use and make sure this little icon's showing so that nobody can see it, because when people start favoriting this not even supposed to be a character, it kind of gets a little weird and awkward. But yeah.